Want to customize the look of your always-on display? In this video, I'll show you how to change the AOD clock style on the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Long press on the home screen and select Wallpaper and Style. Tap on Lock Screen Wallpaper to access clock settings. Step 2. Choose your clock style. Select Clock Style to browse different designs. Pick the one you like the most. If you want to change the font or color, go to Font and Color and customize it to match your style. Step 3. Save changes. Once you're happy with the look, tap Done or Apply to save it. Now, whenever your screen is off, your AOD will have a fresh new look. If the built-in options aren't enough, you can use the Clock Face app from GoodLock for even more customization options. What do you think? Should Samsung add more customization features for AOD? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.